Hello everyone, welcome back to TixJams. In today's video, I will show you how to find your Apple ID password on your iPhone. So let's get it started. The method one is check the passwords app. To check it, first swipe down on your home screen and search for passwords. And here tap on the password apps and unlock it with your Face ID or your passcode. And here choose all, tap on all, then use the search bar to search for Apple. And if your Apple ID password has been saved, tap the result to see your email address and password. And the method two is check Google Chrome. If you use Google Chrome to save your password, open the Chrome app and here tap the three dot menu, and after that tap on password manager. Unlock it with your Face ID or your passcode, and here search for Apple. And if your Apple ID password is saved there, you will be able to view it. And that's it. Those are two easy ways to find your Apple ID password on your iPhone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to TixJams for more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.